This is gonna be a funny movie. What you doing? He's like, what?
Excuse me. Can you go?
Yeah, sure. He's like, what's going on here? Am I famous?
He doesn't see us. He's watching the rain. He's trying to figure it out.
I need a tripod. I want this still. Because I can't hold things still.
Hi, Teddy. Uh-huh. Exactly.
What did he say? This is good. Why does yours have better filming? Because mine's like, oh.
Oh, this is a little nicer camera. Huh?
Because mine's like, oh. If I like try to take away the caps, then it'll turn out like all purple and stuff.
Well, you gotta get the right lighting. Teddy.
I can't control my lighting. Teddy. Because I can only use that one little red light.
Tom. Tom.
Ooh, let's watch the cat eat. Whoa.
Do you need to be up there? Huh?
I don't think you do. That's the end of the movie. Look at it. Look at it. I wish it wasn't raining.
But it is.
But I wish it wasn't still.
At least it's not snowing.
At least. Ooh, it's like April showers. Even though it's not April.
Yeah, it's March.
It's March showers.
It is.
Look at those huge stuff.
Teddy.
I'll play some Legos. Hey Dad, can we do Legos later?
No.
No. Can I do them now?